Volkswagen Type 2, the successor of T1 split screen. It was produced from 1915 in Germany up to 2013 in Brazil. It came in many variations as a panel van, pickup van, and camper van. It had engines ranging from 1.6 to 2 liter, air-cooled, rear-mounted, rear-wheel drive. And it was popular in 1970s in hippie movement, and with that it secured its position in classic car collections all over the world. Now on this van we're going to change the complete front face. It's a common rust issue around the windshield. She also likes to rust at the bottom of the front face, so once we remove the bumper we'll see it, how bad it is. They also like to rust on the corners of the arches, front, back one. Here, we'll see are we going to touch that or not once we clean it. In the back, we have another common issue with them. Because of the air vents, they like to collect water where the hinges for the boot lid are, so they tend to rust, this edge especially. So we're going to change the hinges, clean all this, change the edge. We also have a new engine lid that we're going to change, repaint. We got new front face ready for us, and we're also going to change the rear bumper. So that's the plan that we have for this van so far. That was enough of talk. Let's start to work. Like Kevin says, action. So we disassembled the front part, moved all the electricity away, and as you can see, it's even more rusty than we were expecting. So now we can start chopping the front end. And inside, as you can see, we removed the electricity a bit further down from the second face. It's double face, so we moved it away so we don't cut it and burn that. So next stage is we need to protect all that, mask, and start chopping the front end. That's about it. Follow us for more.